Welcome to this lesson on the male and female reproductive system. In this lesson, we will learn about the main reproductive organs in males and females, their functions, and how they work together in human reproduction. This topic is important for understanding human growth, development, and health. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals of the same kind. Humans reproduce sexually, which means a male cell and a female cell must join together. Note: always remember that sexual reproduction involves two parents. The reproductive cells are called gametes. The male gamete is called sperm, and the female gamete is called the egg. These cells carry genetic information from each parent. The male reproductive system is designed to produce sperm and deliver it into the female reproductive system. Each organ in the male system has a specific role. The main organs in the male reproductive system include the testes, the sperm duct, glands, urethra, and the penis. These organs work together to produce and transport sperm. The testes are the main reproductive organs in males. They are located inside a pouch called the scrotum. The testes produce sperm and also make a hormone called testosterone. Testosterone helps control male puberty changes. The scrotum is a skin sac that holds the testes. It keeps the testes slightly cooler than the rest of the body. This cooler temperature is important for healthy sperm production. Exam tip: apart from holding the testes, temperature control is a common exam question for the scrotum. Next is the sperm duct, gland, and penis. The sperm duct carries sperm from the testes. Glands add fluid to the sperm to form semen. The penis delivers the sperm into the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system produces eggs, allows fertilization to take place, and supports the development of a baby. It also has organs specially adapted for pregnancy. The main organs are the ovaries, oviducts, uterus, cervix, and vagina. These organs work together to produce eggs and support pregnancy. The ovaries are the main female reproductive organs. Females have 2 ovaries. The ovaries produce eggs and hormones that control the menstrual cycle. Note: eggs are sometimes called ova in exams. The oviducts are tubes that carry eggs from the ovaries to the uterus. Fertilization usually happens inside the oviduct. Fertilization means the joining of a sperm and an egg. Note: always remember the oviduct is also called the fallopian tube. The uterus is a strong muscular organ. It is where a baby develops during pregnancy. The lining of the uterus thickens to support the growing baby. The uterus is commonly called the womb. The cervix is the opening of the uterus. It stays closed during pregnancy to protect the baby. The vagina receives sperm during reproduction and acts as the birth canal. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time and also rewatch to answer the questions. The reproductive system allows humans to reproduce. The male reproductive system produces sperm. The female reproductive system produces eggs and supports the development of a baby. Each reproductive organ has a specific function that must be remembered. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more videos. Every video includes evaluation questions to help you test your understanding. Our content is perfect for homeschooling, Google Classrooms, or private tutoring. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new science lesson.